League Buddy. League management software. To get started, you can either enter your email address and create a password, or you can use third-party authentication from Google, Facebook or Microsoft. Once you have a login established, you need to complete your profile. This includes your name, address, contact information, and a photo of yourself. The only information visible to other league members is your name, photo, and the email or phone number which you choose to display. Next, you need to choose the league that you want to join. This doesn't register you in the league, it simply associates your login with the league so that you are able to register, and so that league organizers can contact you, such as notifying you of upcoming new seasons or registration dates. Next, you need to complete your league profile, where you rate yourself in terms of experience, skill and competitiveness. In this case, since it is a curling league, you enter the curling position you normally play, and choose how you would like to receive reminders of upcoming games. Once you have joined the league, you don't need to join again for future seasons. Everything up to now is a one-time requirement to get started with League Buddy. In future seasons, you only need to register, which we'll talk about next. In this league, you can register for an existing team, or form a new team. You can also ask the organizers to help you find a team, or put your name on the spare list. Once you've agreed to the waiver, you can submit your registration. The next step is to wait for the league organizers to assign you, as per your request. Once the league organizers have assigned you to a team and they have published a schedule, you will be able to use the other features of this site. You will receive a notification that you need to pay your league fees. You will be prompted with typical amounts, or you can enter a custom amount. In this case, the Curling League accepts payments by credit card, email transfer, check or cash. If you pay by credit card, your fees are paid instantly. Choosing another method requires organizers to receive and process your payment before they are considered paid. Each player can confirm their availability to play in upcoming games, and other team members are able to see what the responses are. Checking out the My Team page, you can see at a glance your entire schedule, with the past results in future games, find out your bye dates, and view the contact information for your teammates. The game schedule page shows you the next upcoming games in the schedule, the most recent games, and all the games in the current round. There is also a calendar to see all the dates in the entire season. The contact list shows you names, Photos and contact information of all other players in the league. Photos and contact information are optional. In large leagues, this can be a very long list, so there is a search feature which can help you find the person or team you're looking for. Using the Send a Message feature, you can send an email to another team, without having to look up their contact information. After your game, you will have the option of entering the score. Immediately after the score is entered, the standings and team rankings are updated. If you need to find a spare player, you can select from any or all people on the spare list. The system sends a request to them, and they can accept or refuse the request. Their availability will be updated with the team availability, so you can see at a glance who will be expected at the game. If you need to forfeit a game, you can do that here. This will mark the game as a forfeit loss for your team, and a default win for your opposition. It will also notify all parties of the forfeit. You can download or email calendar reminders for upcoming games. This will put the game details in the body of the calendar invite, and the address of the game location in the location field. If the league's schedule allows for buys, prior to the schedule being published, teams can request buy dates. Whether or not the requested buy is granted depends on many factors, so the request cannot be guaranteed. For more information, contact info@leaguebuddy.ca.